Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to unbox my March 2020 Petit Vour Plus box. So Petit Vour actually has two different subscriptions. This is the Plus box, which is about $25 a month for 5 to 7 items. They usually have a mix of travel size and full size items. So when you open it up, it comes in an eco-friendly box. First, they have a description card that includes a list of everything in the box. This is really nice because it tells you the value of all the products and how to use them. First, we have the Provence Apothecary Cleanser and Makeup Remover. So it looks like this is an oil cleanser that will help remove your makeup. So I've heard a lot about oil cleansers lately, but I haven't used them very often. It's really nice to see that they included a natural one in this Petit Vour box because most of the samples I have right now are more conventional products. So this looks like a typical oil texture. They say you're supposed to wet your skin first and then remove it with a wet cloth. So I'm probably not getting the full benefits of it by testing it out here, but basically it's a nice oil that will help remove any makeup on your skin. It has a nice scent to it. I think they said that it includes lavender oil. Sometimes my face wash isn't enough to remove some of those really heavy duty foundations, and so I think it'll be really nice to have an oil cleanser like this on hand. Next we have the Pacifica Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. It looks like this is supposed to be an oil control primer that you use under your makeup. I'm really happy to see that this is silicone free. It looks like the base is water and aloe leaf juice, so it sounds like it's very gentle. I'm going to try a little bit out on my hand just to see what the texture is like. It looks like this is actually more of a lotion texture than I was expecting. I thought it would be more like a clear gel primer, but it has more of a nice creamy texture. It does have a really nice kind of fruity scent. I think it's that wild cherry. In general, it looks like this has really gentle ingredients. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. So this was pretty creamy to start with, but now it seems like it's dried down a bit. It's not very sticky or tacky, but I do definitely feel a little bit more of that kind of like aloe vera gel finish. I think it'll be really nice to test this out under my foundation and see if it helps improve the wear time. I don't have concerns with oil control throughout the day, and so I might look into some of their other primers as well, but I do really like Pacifica as a brand, and I've been really happy with a lot of their products. I'm always looking for new silicone-free products, especially when it comes to primers and foundations, so I'm really happy to see this in my Petit Vour box because it's a lot cheaper to try things out through this than to buy them individually. If you're enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Next we have the Kare Skin Balance Toning Mist. This comes in a really cool bottle. It's like a frosted red color. I've never actually quite seen one like this. Apparently this is a toning mist which is designed to help protect your skin from pollution and generally restore it. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. I'm really curious to see what it smells like. I definitely smell that rose in there. It seems to have sort of a nice light floral fragrance in general. So far it just feels like a refreshing hydration spray. I was really happy to see that this contains a lot of organic or wild-crafted ingredients. I don't know if this is something that I would buy myself, but I do like having facial mists on hand, and I really like the ingredients in this one. Next we have the Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm. This one is in the shade Flirt, which seems like a nice sheer pink. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my lip color so we can try this one out. Okay, so I have it on the bottom lip, but not on the top. There's not a huge difference between the two, but it's just a little bit extra rosy pink. I really like this color. It's just a nice kind of soft pink tint. I feel like it would go really well with a variety of looks because it's not dramatically changing your lip color, but it does add some nice hydration and just a little bit of a hint of color. I also like that there's SPF 15 in this, which is a mineral titanium dioxide sunscreen. Whenever I go outside, I try to wear a sunscreen, and that includes on my lips, and so it's really nice to have something on hand that I can wear, just throw it on when I'm going for a walk or whatever. This has a nice light citrusy flavor to it as well, so I think I'll definitely be keeping this on hand, especially when I'm spending time outdoors. I really like Jane Iredale products in general, and so I'm really happy to see it in my Petit Vour box. I have been using some of her eyeshadows for many years, and it's an incredible brand. It's also typically very expensive. For example, if I were to buy this lip balm by itself, it would cost $17, but I was able to get everything in this entire box for only $25. I'm already pretty happy with this box because we already have 2 different makeup items in it, and there are still 3 things left. Next we have the Little Barn Apothecary Honeysuckle and Grapefruit Body Oil. I'm going to go ahead and try a little bit of this out on my hand. This has a really interesting smell. It kind of reminds me of like a New Age bookstore or something. It feels very moisturizing on the skin and leaves a nice little sheen there as well. It seems like a little goes a long way with this, and so it'll be nice to have on hand, especially in the drier winter months. Next we have the Luxe Botanics Camo Brightening Moisturizer. This says that it's made with vitamin C rich Camo to help brighten your skin. You go ahead and try a little bit out on this hand. It has a nice thick creamy texture. This one smells really nice too. It's just kind of a nice essential oil scent to me. This is actually quite an expensive product as well. It normally costs $85 for 2 ounces. This is 0.34 ounces, so it's a nice little trial size. Last but not least, we have the Pure Minerals Organic Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Black Betty, which is a nice deep black. This pencil feels a little bit waxy to start, but it's probably because it's brand new. It seems like it melts against your skin and becomes more soft and creamy as you use it. It seems like this eyeliner is made with really clean ingredients. It says that it's 100% organic as well. I'm always happy to have really gentle eyeliner pencils on hand. This is typically the kind of thing that I prefer to wear on an everyday basis. And since this is normally $18 to buy on its own, I'm really happy to have the chance to try it through this box. So just as a quick summary, there were 3 makeup products including this tinted lip balm, this makeup primer, and this eyeliner pencil. 3 skincare products including an oil cleanser, a toning mist, and a brightening moisturizer. And 1 body care item, which is this body oil. There were 3 full-size items, which were the makeup items, and 4 travel or trial size items. I paid $25 for this box, and they say the value is $104. The real question is, was it a good value for me? While I do like trying skincare items, these probably aren't things that I would seek out or buy on my own. But the things that I was interested in and do seek out on my own are these makeup products. So altogether, these are a $48 value and the box was only $25. I would say that I definitely got my money's worth this month, but mainly because it had so many different makeup items in it. For me, Petit Vour is a bit hit and miss. I really love makeup products, but it's not always possible to get this many in every box. I think this March box was a really good fit for me, and so I think it really was a good value, but I don't always feel that way every month. I would really love to see Petit Vour offer a box that is exclusively makeup. I don't know if there's enough demand for it, but I would totally take a seasonal makeup box from Petit Vour over a monthly box that's kind of hit or miss. So Petit Vour, I would absolutely love if you made a makeup box. Even if it costs more, I will pay it. Even if it's seasonal, I will wait. But in the meantime, it is really fun to get these beauty boxes, and I really appreciate having a cruelty-free monthly subscription. Thank you to all of you who watched. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments if there's any green, natural, or organic beauty product you've been enjoying lately. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.